Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Is your Windows 11 Start menu or search box stuck searching forever? When you type something like CMD, Registry Editor, or any app, the search just keeps loading and never shows any results. This problem is usually caused by the Windows search indexer process becoming stuck. In this video, I'll show you a quick and easy fix that only takes a few seconds. Let's get started. Right-click the taskbar and select Task Manager. If Task Manager opens in the compact view, click More Details. Now select the Processes tab. Scroll down until you find Microsoft Windows Search Indexer. Right-click Microsoft Windows Search Indexer and select End Task. Click End Process to confirm if prompted. Don't worry, Windows will automatically restart this service after a few moments. Click the search box again and type CMD. As you can see, the search results appear instantly. The endless searching problem has now been fixed. If the problem returns, if Windows search gets stuck again later, simply repeat the same steps. In most cases, ending the Microsoft Windows Search Indexer process immediately restores normal search functionality. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more Windows 11 tips and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.